Hello everyone, welcome to Nimlo's channel. And today in this short video I'll show you how to fix application has crashed and will now closed error in Fortnite. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. So let's start our video. So just follow every step and it will fix your issue.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry